Let's move this microphone over here. Yeah, there you go. We're There we go. This is like take three, okay? Because I forgot the mic over there, and I almost forgot it again. The first time I didn't even announce the date and time. Today is Thursday, November 8th, 2018. Hope you guys are doing well. Let's get into the coffee. Oh boy, I like that. And look, it's almost gone. It's almost gone. I almost drank a whole thermos of coffee today. Woo! Wired. Okay, let's jump right in. And real quick, sorry about the mess behind me. My boy and I are doing a lot of homeschooling this year, and we're working on projects, learning math or learning our numbers. We're getting to 10, man. It's kind of exciting, man. These early learning stages are they're so critical, and I know it's simple little baby steps, but I'm really proud as a father. So anyway, that's enough about me. Let's just jump right into it. The Bitcoin BTC USD 1 day chart on Coinbase. Let's take a look. Okay, Bitcoin showing some weakness here. I was hoping yesterday that we were going to have continuation to the upside. We're starting to break down a little bit. As I look at my indicators, the RSI is cresting. It's gave me a death cross. And now the God mode indicator is about ready to do the same as well. So we have to keep an eye on that. Right now, it looks like USD is the one to favor. Now, keep in mind, in the Kumo cloud, anything can happen. So it's a period of consolidation where traders probably don't want to trade as much. Let's look at LTC USD. LTC USD looks a lot like Bitcoin. We were hoping for some continuation yesterday to the upside. We did not get it. So this is what I was kind of hoping for on Litecoin. That's now out of the picture, and it looks like we're just going to go down. We're in a little bit of a breakdown here. Moving on to Ethereum. Ethereum is at $212, and I believe that's so funny. So if I say Ethereum, my phone thinks it's saying Siri. Oh yeah, so crazy. It's always listening, isn't it? Okay, Ethereum, $212 is what we have. We're in technically the Kumo cloud right now. I believe that we are going to continue to trade sideways or down. We could get a retest of this. Let's move this up. We could get a retest of our support line. So look for that to possibly happen, especially because on our RSI, we got our death cross. We got a death cross coming, which means we could just come straight down here on Ethereum. So you have Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum all telling the same story. Right now, we were looking really great, and we all three got a pullback. So let's move on to Veritasium. Veritasium on the 1 day chart is continuing its downtrend. For those of you not in it, congratulations. You have an opportunity to buy more Veritasium on at the bottom. So here we go. We got a golden cross back here, and it resulted in a green candle from our RSI. But it flipped right back around and starting to dump again. And we've had no hint of a reversal really on the for a golden cross on God mode. So that's telling me we're going to continue to go down. Our next true level of support is way down here at it's 3003773. So, but I put down some areas that I thought it would turn around at for Fibonacci, and I have them clearly marked here, here, and here. So we'll see how it goes. My primary right now is that it's going to go to here, this one right here. If it blasts through that, then I would say it's going to go right in between here, between these two before turning around. So let's keep an eye on Veritasium. And keep in mind, this thing could turn around right on a dime because of our gigantic sell wall. Let's take a look here. What do we have? Let's see if the manipulation is continuing here. Let's move on up. Oh yeah. Okay, guys, anytime you see this flat toppage right here, flat top, we're being manipulated. Okay? And it's the same with those Bart Simpson heads, in whether they're standard or an inverse. Yeah, totally, we're being manipulated. Look at that, it's crazy. But whatever. I'm not going to complain about manipulation. I will just trade what's in front of me, and that's fine. You can still make money in manipulation. I mean, there's plenty of people in the stock market just wrecking it right now. Ask Gregory Mannarino. Okay, so let's move on. That's Veritasium. We are... let's move back over here to the day. Squish it down. Yeah, we're just going to continue our downtrend. Absolutely. So you guys got a good handle on that. Let's move on to Proppy. Hey, Dave. I hope I answered all your questions. Thank you for the feedback last night's text. I really appreciate it. And let's just check back in on what it's doing now. So Proppy continuing its sell-off. Dave, hopefully you are in profit here, or at least emerging victorious soon. Proppy, my first primary is this target right here. I'm hoping that Proppy will give us a bounce. If it doesn't, it's fine. And we won't buy in, and we'll come down to here. So this circled one right here is my secondary. This is my primary. We could see a bounce here, though I'm not sure. And that is at 0.00406181. And the bottom one is at 0.0000. That's 4 zeros. 5320. So yeah, we're moving right along here. Proppy looking like an absolute sell, and that's fine. I'm hoping you guys are out, and I hope that you can get back in and have even more Proppy. Awesome, and make tons of money on the way up. Let's move on to Tron, TRX. Okay, Tron, I had posted. Man, maybe it was Theta. Boy, I can't remember now because I erased it. Darn it. I believe it was on Tron. In yesterday's video, I had an arrow. I said, this is my primary that we're going to trade sideways, even though we were double topping up here on our area, or on our line of resistance. But I also put in a strong second, something like this, where I thought, and I circled it, and I said, it's possible we could have continuation, but only if we broke through. So let's remove that. That's out of the way. It's not happening. It looks like, the TA was right. We're just going to continue going this way. We have our death cross here, and we're just kissing right there with the death cross on God mode. So, yeah, things are looking favorable for us here for Tron on the way down. All right, moving on to Theta. Theta. I said that I was hoping we'd get some lift over the top here, and then I said we're going to come down. And then yesterday I changed my mind and I said, well, it doesn't look like we're going to get any lift. We're just going to trade sideways. Well, I don't know if you consider this lift or not, but we had a massive candle that took us higher than the top. So I guess there's a little bit of yes and a little bit of no there. So who knows? But yes, we are going to get continuation here to the downside. This is a little disturbing for me. Okay, so what I'm looking at here is that I have God mode here trying to give me a golden cross. At the same time, my RSI is running down. Huh. Well, we are in the we are in the Kumo cloud, which is a period of consolidation, and anything can happen. So, yeah, we shall see. I do have marked here clearly with these purple lines areas of support and resistance. So, I believe that's kind of what we're trading in between, and it makes sense. So, hey, if you're a trader and a short term trader, which I am not, you could trade just these lines. You could say, I'm going to buy it here, sell it here. When it comes back down, I'm going to buy it here, I'm going to sell it here. Now we're waiting for another buy, right? So, you can do these short trades if you're savvy and you got the time to watch the market. Okay, that's theta on the day chart. Let's move on to Populus. Boy, Populus has just been beat down. I was just kind of thinking back to when the Populus was running really high and people were screaming about how great it is. And it is still a great project, don't get me wrong. But it is just way, way down in price. This is could be a good time to buy. I would wait for a breakout though. We have a triangle starting to form here. Again, we went from the bottom to the top, touched the bottom, up to the top. Now we're at the bottom. I'm wanting it to go up, but my indicators are saying no. I did get a golden cross, which is kind of hopeful. It doesn't look like this is going to happen here, right? So I'm going to erase that. And I believe that we could get a turnaround. So I'm going to turn this into, hopefully we go bullish above the Kumo cloud. I did post here areas of support and resistance with the purple lines that we have high volume in. So yeah, we shall see. If we can kind of break out above this, we should be able to run up and touch this on the top side of the Kumo cloud, no problem. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. Let's move on to OMG for the day. Give me a timeout. Quick, 10-second timeout here. OMG, looking good. All right. We were hoping for some continuation, and a lot like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, Omisi Go is pulling back. Okay, we got our death cross on the RSI. Okay, and it's early stages, but on the day chart. But we could come down and test this. In fact, this is my primary. I believe we're going to come down and retest this line of support before bouncing. Hopefully this holds. I don't want to see this fall through. But I think the rest of the market is also as excited about OMG as I am, and probably will look at this as a nice area to buy in. So yeah, that's what I got for you guys today. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Enjoy your trading. Remember to have fun while you're trading. Don't get too stressed out about it. Just look at the numbers objectively, have fun, and enjoy making money. I will talk to you guys soon. See ya. Peace.